So everyone, guess who I've got in my hot seat? I've got the gorgeous Amy, who's a model and a mum. We've done so many trips together over the years, and I don't know when it's the last time I saw her, but I'm really chuffed and excited she's sitting right here. Amy thinks. Let's get rid of these.
Yeah, I love it. I love the pink as well. The pink's amazing. It's very natural.
It is natural because it's
very nice.
heightened from when you came in, but it's just...
And the brows, I love the brows. They're like fluffy, they look good.
Yeah, and they look good. And it's all about, it's all you, but I've made it fashionable by putting a bit of, you know, right there, a little bit there.
And mascara. Mascara as well. Yeah, it's really good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Finished look.
Thank you.
It's still all her, but she's all decked out. Look at that. In one word, wow. So I'm back with Amy.
And I'm back with Ruby. It's been 18 years, I think.
Gosh, that long. Wow.
So we first did that job. I think there was Antigua. We did Tulum. We travelled a lot. And I feel that you always gave me the time of day. I feel like I was a young girl in an industry. I was a rabbit in headlights. I didn't know anyone. Not many people gave me the time of day, but I always remember you did.
Aww.
And you never judged, and you were just so lovely and warm and genuine, and you made me feel amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to share that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's great that you said that, because at the end of the day, I think people just think it's all about the makeup.
Yeah.
But part of doing that makeup is not just the techniques and skills, it's also there's a human being there, and you've got to support that person look and feel amazing, because they've got to go out in front of the camera and give it all they got. So she's like a mini athlete, you know, so you have to equip and put that person out there so they can pull it out.
You're very good, and I'll never forget that, so thank you. That's why we're here today.
Yeah. And honestly, thank you for remembering, because I don't know if many people will like you.
I always remember nice people.
Oh.
So Ruby, I think you're amazing at doing like the no makeup look, which you've done today. I think a girl always likes to look like they've got makeup on, but not too much. And I think you're really good at that.
Thank you. It's all about you. I only work with what's there.
Oh, well, you're good. You're good. So Ruby, what are your 3 favourite products?
Well, I love my mascara brow duo.
Yeah,
so
it's both. Oh, I love that.
Yeah, that's what, and yours are already done, and they keep them in place.
Yeah, that's good for my trips.
And then this is, look at that brush.
Yeah, I love.
So that's it's really thin, and I've just lightly just defines it.
Sometimes mascara can be quite cakey when it's too big, so
you're not going to find that, and it washes off with warm water.
Amazing.
And then I have used the cheek colour.
Love. My mum would
Tawny, and it's on your cheeks, but I've also patted it on top of your lips, over my lip serum balm, which is my Huda item. So that gives you nourishment and comfort. I'm sure you feel it.
Yeah, definitely.
And then you like a bit of pink, so
I
putting it on your cheeks. Yeah, and putting it on your cheeks and on your lips, it means it just brings out that
Yeah.
bit of your own natural pinkness and liveliness and radiance.
So
and
these are
glow.
your three, my go-tos that I need.
I think they are.
Amazing, thank you.